In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bring through some experimental type. So go to the Moodle page and scroll down to Visual Communication, Friday the 24th of April with Adam Francis. I'd like to go to the Typography section, and under the Typography section you'll see Space Type Generator. There's also some other type websites there that are available too. So we're going to right click on that and go to Open Link in New Tab. Okay, I'm going to do the same on this page. Open link in a new tab, and here we have this this type tool. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go to my reading list, and I'm going to pull out a piece of text from a key piece of text from one of the elements that I'm reading. I've selected this. I'm going to do Command C. Now, as this is an ebook, it might need to go into another document so that it doesn't bring through any of the styles from the website. So then I'm going to come in, and you've got this space type generator at the bottom. I'm going to highlight that and Control V. Okay, and you can see that it's now taken on those words. Now I can experiment with these different types over here to the right. Okay, coil. Okay, mosaic. Okay, and then we've got these tools that you can play with at the bottom. I'd like you guys to have a little play with these and come up with something interesting that might communicate your theme or go well with your theme. Just make sure that it's using your actual text. Okay, so I want you to have a little play with that. I mean, there's absolutely tons to work from here. You can go with the cylinder. Okay, just make sure that you're popping that back in every time. Okay, and yeah, I'd like you to just have a little play with these, see what you can come up with. Okay, so once you've done that, I've got one on my desktop that I made earlier. Okay, in the same way that you've brought in your images and videos before, we're going to go to our project, and I'm going to double click in the project area, go to my desktop, and I'm going to locate my text. I'm going to hit import, and there it is. I've named it so I can clearly see it. I'm going to bring that in now. We can see that that is filling my page. Now again, I'm going to come in and I'm going to go to the editing. Sorry, I'm going to come into the effects. Control effects. Oh, got that selected. There we go. Control effects. So effects control. And I'm going to add the multiply to that. And you can see that now we've got, if I just press double click on that one now, should be able to make it larger, fit within the space. I can press play. You can see that that's running over the text. Now I could come over to effects, and if I type invert, okay, it's giving me the invert, and I can drag and drop that on there. And it's going to spin that around for me. Okay, so now if I come over here, press play, you can see that we've started to make some interesting, the beginning of an interesting mood board.